So today I'm replacing the valve cover gasket, the front one, and see if I could tackle the rear ones too. But it seems that the front one can be done quickly and easily. So the first thing is remove the trim over here. They're like held in by clips. You push it down and it will loosen the trim, and then you get this bracket to 10 mm bolts. I don't think you need to take this off. It just probably puts it in the filter box. Yep. There's like 4 of them. And wow, I need a new filter. Crap. This doesn't look good. Yeah. Oh, it's still okay, but yep, this doesn't look good. So definitely I have to take out this bracket, this one to clear this area over here. Yeah, I think I probably need to take out all of this. Okay, once you take out the 3 bolts in here on the side, you just slowly like loosen this box here. Got to disconnect this mass airflow sensor. These clips are, oh, I could actually like push it in from inside. Okay, yeah, there are some clips here that you need a small screwdriver or a pick to probably move them in so that you could pull it up. Okay, now we got the full view. So there's actually less space in here, so probably I'm gonna take out the cowl if I'm going to tackle the rear one. I'm probably gonna deal with the front one first. So I'm gonna take out this bracket here for the wires. Yep. And we only need to take out the plugs in here. Take out this PCV valve, I mean the front case ventilation hose here going into the intake. Yep. Okay, let's try this one. So we're gonna take out this. We should. Oh boy! So this one they put in a gasket here so that it will stick. So this is gonna be an issue. Oh boy! Oh boy! Oh boy! They could put a zip tie tighten it, but yep. Well, there it goes. I broke by pressing this one. Oh my gosh. How about this one? Oh no, I broke it too. Oh, all of them are broke now. Dang it. Now they're easy to take out. Oh shit. This one get gasket. This is what you call somebody else problem, or the next repairman problem. Oh gee. Yep, so it broke while I trying to remove the gasket. So yeah, I think I could probably buy a replacement connector for this. deep in it. Yep. Maybe no leaks on the ignition coils. Yep, no welding there. So we're gonna remove the bracket here that holds the high voltage wire. So this one is a 12, which is weird. Why do you need a 12 for the bracket? So this stud over here is an E7 or an E6, I think. Where's that? Yeah, that's an E, so it just easily snapped off. And I could use my hand to loosen it. Now I'm free. Yep. Free. Let's tackle this hose. Time to loosen the bolts here. So some of these bolts are just really loose. I could probably like get away with just like tightening them. Yeah, I should have done that first. So this one, so this bolt is hard to get. Yep, because it's like in the very corner here. Yep. Okay, now I got all the bolts out, and I have to move this vacuum hose for the crankcase ventilation out of the way. So I just like slowly like move it, and yeah, it's loose now. Trying to figure out how to slide it out. So this hose and this bracket over here are major obstacles. And this bracket actually is not easy to take out. Probably we'll need to take out the hose. You can take it out actually. You just like pull the hose. So got the valve cover out. And if you look at this, it's not that bad actually for a 252,000 mile vehicle. Yeah. So I just like pull this one out really hard. Yeah, if this hose breaks, then it means that you need to replace it, but it seems to be holding fine. Okay, yeah. So the gasket is actually still pliable. Yeah, but yeah, since it's out anyway, we're going to replace it. It looks like this is original because the tabs wasn't broken. Yep, I'm gonna replace it with Velcro, and I'm gonna start cleaning this one. And this is the famous half moons. Yep. So when you replace the valve cover gaskets on the Toyota engines, most of them have half moons, and it's over here on this one for this hybrid. And if you look at that, there's a gasket in here, a sealant that's being used, and I'm actually taking some bit out. And then this one too, this area over here, you need to put sealant, and over there, that's where it meets the what they call that. Those are like mating surfaces. And this one, you only need the one on the curb. Yep. Yeah, the curb for the camshaft. Yep, the curb area is there. You need to take the gasket out. But yeah, looking at the condition, this is way better than my Prius. Yeah, when I open up my Prius, yeah, it's really darkened on this one. This one is like really clean, so they change the oil frequently on this one. So time to clean cylinder head on this one, or the valve. So this is the famous half moon which I took out, and if you look at that, there's some gasket material over here that dried up. See? Yep, see that gasket material. We need to put gasket on this one, new ones, because it will definitely leak again, and you're gonna pay back for labor. Yep. So you have to like really make sure that there's no debris in here. Like this one, this is the gasket material from the half moon that dried up. See, it's over here on the side, so you really need to inspect. Some of the hardened gasket actually got dislodged in some areas here. Yep. So, inspecting if there's some that fell down. Okay, got it all cleaned. Gasket materials check, and the half moon too cleaned. Time to clean the valve cover. Now I put the gasket already. It's Velcro, so I keep the other half. The 32mm socket actually works fine with the yep. Oh, that's the other way around. It actually works fine with the spark plug seals. Yep, it fits nicely. Yep. So I'm gonna pound it in, but before that, to make things look good, I'm gonna put some dish soap on the seal. So it turns out that if you put dish soap on the sides of the seal, you don't even need to pound it with a socket. It will just like glide in smoothly. Yep. So what I did is I just pound back the tabs in here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pound this one more. And this is ready. One. Going to put it there. Sealant too on this side and this sides too, and this is what I use. It's the Toyota seal packing FIPG. So here's the spark plug seals. Yep. They're like really brittle, but the main gasket is actually still not that bad. It's kind of hard, but it's still flexible though. It's not like really brittle. Okay, got the stuff buttoned up. I'm just looking for like wheel leaks. Seems to be good. There's some smoke coming out here because I was putting like brake cleaner, and it's gone now almost. So I don't see any smoking in this wall. At least the gasket is good.